Robot is a robot. It got to be operated by human. They cannot simply robot make robot. I doubt it possible.
Welcome to Mothership, Here's the Streets. A 2019 study found that 20 million manufacturing jobs will be lost globally to robots by 2030. But automation has always been around and will continue to grow, which means we have to upskill ourselves at a quicker pace in order to stay relevant. We asked Singaporeans if robots will take over our jobs in the future. Do you think that your job might someday be taken over by robots?
Personally, I don't think so, because I feel that personal interaction is still really important. It's something that is not replaceable by just robots or algorithms.
Mostly it will be, because it's an assembly line. So even now itself there has robots that can assemble things.
I don't think so, because robot is a robot. It got to be operated by human. They cannot simply robot make robot. I doubt it possible.
Yeah, because I'm a housewife, I don't mind if someone takes over my job, but for office people it could be a problem, I guess.
Is it possible to work alongside robots?
Yeah, that's possible. What I'm saying from the start, robot need human to guide them also. Not possible to say robot guide us. Do you think have a robot guide you or not? What do you think? No, also right. Yeah, that's a point here I'm asking you back.
I believe humans and robots can get along hand in hand in the working line. It's already been going on already. In factories, we have humans checking on robots because yes, they are very accurate, but there are still the degree of error.
I think robots are like just machines, right? We are around machines every day. Let's say we are a computer. So I'll say yes, they are good aids to help us become more productive and efficient at our work.
Yeah, alongside, because we create that one. They might help us to do some dirty things or heavy things. We can innovative.
How do you think you can stay relevant or even stand out from other job seekers?
Learn new skills, because as technology grows, we need more brain capacity to learn how to code this automation, how to build these machines.
Oh, that is up to him. If he got a good training or a good background or something like that, he can do it. So it's okay for a human being to try to climb by the ladder. Step by step, it's okay.
Just focusing on the face-to-face interactions, and I think people would eventually would like to still have like the human touch to it.
Now we be innovative. We can try to produce the robot or anything, because we got the basic things what we have to do as a human. So we can apply that and venture new things.
What are some skills that are important to have at work?
Well, I'm in the business of emotional intelligence, right? So communication skills, ability to communicate effectively. I think that's the most, if not one of the most important skill sets in any workplace.
Definitely compassion and communication, and also I would say high EQ and being very selfless. I think that's very important in a workplace to do better than the norm.
Mostly precision, self-discipline with timing. Everything is under the time, because you cannot get back your time.
I think communication skills are a must. You should be ready to do all kinds of hard work and be innovative again, I would say.
Do you think upgrading your skill set is important?
Definitely, because with time things change and we just want to get better at what we do, right? I mean, currently, being in my 20s, I can't be the same in my 40s. I got to be at least 2 times, 3 times better than who I am, and moving with the world and the needs.
Of course, that's very important, because if you didn't upskill yourself, you might take over by somebody sometime. So it's better you're going to upskill yourself, then see what you can do for the better of you.
How would you upgrade your skill?
By learning something every day. That's what I would say. And it is possible in today's world. Age is not a factor. Anyone can do anything at any point of time.
Okay, it's not purely just reading and going for courses, but doing something different. So exploring projects and doing it, having hands-on experience, and from there we learn and get better at what we do.
There are programs out there called Skills Future program, enrichment classes everywhere. Or you can just Google, watch YouTube videos, tutorials. It really benefits you a lot.
I retire one, I don't upgrade myself. I no need to upgrade myself.
Robots and automation will be a part of our future. The current economic situation might be the best time for us to upgrade and upskill. The future might be uncertain, but hey, the human mind will always find its way. So build a robot at your own risk,